anger is such a thing. We become angry on somebody else, but the anger resides in our heart. It burns the heart. It blackens out the heart and burns the blood as well. There was one man, he was fixing his punctured tire, and his 3-year-old son took a stone and was scratching something on the other side of the car. The father had not learned how to control anger. He saw his son, he got so annoyed. He took the spanner and started hitting his son's hand. He beat the fingers so much, they got bruised badly. The child had to be taken to hospital. The doctor saw and he said, there's only one solution, I need to remove 3 fingers. 3 fingers were removed. When the son came out of surgery, he said, Father, when will my fingers grow back? The father was disgusted at his anger. What did I do? He cried. He went to the car and he kicked the car. And there he saw what his son had been writing with the stone. His son had been writing, Father, I love you. But such is the nature of anger. Anger makes a human being into an animal. And it's a reality, it's residing inside us. Some people hide it very deep. There was a sadhu living in a hut, and somebody came to him and said, Babaji, do you have light in your hut? He said, I don't. The man went. He came back after half an hour. Babaji, I was asking you, do you have light in your hut? He said, Arey bhai, I told you I don't. He went off and came back after 5 minutes. Babaji, I was asking you, I need light. Don't you have it in your hut? He said, I told you I don't have light. Why are you troubling me? The man said, Babaji, the light was there, but it took a little effort to get it out. The fire was there, but you had hidden it deep. So, if somebody can not just hide it deep, but extract it and throw it away, Sri Krishna says that person is the yogi. When Alexander came to India, conquering, he reached India. There, he met some yogis. So he asked his people, I've heard of the Indian yogis. I want to take some with me to Greece. So his soldiers told him there are some yogis sitting there. He went to meet the yogis. So when he reached there, the yogi was sitting casually. Alexander thought he should be respected, but the yogi showed no external respect for Alexander the Great. So Alexander said, you don't know how to behave, don't you know who I am? I will teach you such a lesson you will remember all your life. So the yogi responded, he said, I know who you are. Alexander said, who? You are a slave of my slave. Alexander said, what do you mean slave of your slave? The yogi said, anger is my slave. You are a slave of anger. So you are a slave of my slave. Sri Krishna says, if you can make anger and desire your slave, then you are truly happy.
Discover the Bhagavad Gita Krishna Bhakti app by JK Yog, your ultimate companion for your spiritual journey. Experience the Bhagavad Gita in 6 languages with complete translations, daily verses, bookmarks, notes, and audio recitations, all ad-free and available offline. Stay up to date with the latest JK Yog events and receive Karma Yoga reminders to keep your actions aligned with your spiritual goals. complete tasks, and earn rewards to keep your motivation high on this journey. Join us on this transformative journey with the Bhagavad Gita Krishna Bhakti app by JK Yog, your spiritual companion. Download the app now.